Welcome back to Car Culture. Today we bring you an exclusive look at the brand new Italika Modena 175, model year 2026. Is this urban scooter worth your money? Stay tuned until the end and find out. The Italika Modena 175 2026 comes equipped with a solid set of features. It includes a factory-installed GPS, both electric and kickstart, automatic CVT belt transmission, front and rear disc brakes, a telescopic front fork, and dual rear shock absorbers. At first glance, it's compact, practical, and modern, designed for riders who want to move around the city with style and ease. Under the seat, you'll find a single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine with 168.9 cubic centimeters of displacement. It delivers 10 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and a maximum torque of 10.3 Newton-meters at 6,000 RPM. This engine allows the Modena to reach a top speed of about 105 km per hour, or roughly 65 miles per hour. Fuel efficiency comes in at about 26 km per liter, with a 6.5-liter fuel tank. That balance of power and efficiency makes it a reliable choice for daily urban commutes while still giving you enough strength for light highway use. When it comes to design, the Modena 175 2026 leans toward a sleek, modern look with smooth, aerodynamic lines. LED lighting provides excellent visibility at any time of day, and the scooter supports a maximum load of 150 kilograms, which means you can ride with a passenger and still carry some cargo. The dual rear suspension helps absorb bumps on rough city streets, offering comfort to both rider and passenger. The automatic transmission is one of its biggest advantages, making it beginner-friendly and effortless to ride, even for those with little experience on two wheels. A major highlight is the integrated GPS system, something you don't often see at this price point. Competing scooters usually require aftermarket accessories for navigation, but Italika decided to add this as a factory feature. For today's urban riders, who rely heavily on digital connectivity, that's a big plus and definitely helps the Modena stand out in its class. Now let's talk price. On Italika's official online store, the Modena 175 2026 is listed at 27,999 Mexican pesos. Considering the performance, modern styling, and built-in GPS, that price is very competitive in the urban scooter segment. Of course, final prices may vary depending on promotions and region, but at its launch cost, it delivers great value for money. If we quickly compare it to another Italika scooter, such as the WS 175 Sport, both share a similar displacement and urban focus. However, the Modena gains an edge thanks to its technological upgrades and cleaner design. For riders looking for something more basic and budget-friendly, there are alternatives in Italika's lineup. But for those who want a scooter that blends efficiency, comfort, and modern features, the Modena 175 clearly takes the lead. In conclusion, the Italika Modena 175 2026 is built for people who value efficient city mobility, everyday practicality, and that little touch of modern tech that makes a real difference. It's ideal for students, professionals, or anyone who wants to beat traffic comfortably without overspending on fuel. And that wraps up our review of the Italika Modena 175 2026. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more content from Car Culture, where we cover everything about the automotive world. See you in the next one.